Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I thought I would go through the Just Getting Started bundle that is now available over on my website, which is linked below, and show you what you've got, what you get, and also what you can do with it. So you get the Love What You Do stamp set. You get a full pack of the Very Vanilla cardstock. So that's the ordinary Very Vanilla cardstock. So that's 40 sheets, and it's that beautiful smooth stamping cardstock. You get one of the new ink pads, and it's in one of the new ink colours. So it's the Grapefruit Grove. You get an Old Olive in the new ink pad. You get an E-block, which is this enormous block here. And you get a free stamp set, note cards and envelopes. And there are 20 note cards and envelopes in the pack. So it's a really good, it is a Just Getting Started bundle. So I thought I would show you a quick card using just items from the bundle and some adhesive. So I'm going to start with a note card. Would be a good start, really, wouldn't it? So one of our note cards, just fold that in half because they come pre-scored, so it makes it really easy. Get rid of that. And now you can do this before you fold it if you're concerned about not being able to stamp on a surface that's lifting up. I'm going to start with the Grapefruit Grove, and the new ink pads just open like a compact. And I've got the big, what I would call the splodge, and some scrap card, well, paper. And I'm just going to ink this up, make sure that it's properly inked, and then just very quickly stamp it off. Would have been helpful if I hadn't stamped it on a hole. So we'll try that again. Stamp it off better, and then stamp that into the middle of our card. Now, I didn't do a brilliant job of stamping it off, but it'll be fine. So that's actually going to work really nicely with what I have planned. So I've got the leaves, not the leaves, the flowers, and if I pop that there, that will cover one of those quite nicely. You'd think I had it planned. Then I've got one of the other splodges, and again I'm going to just stamp that off, and might do that again just to give it a bit more of a whoomph, and then there, and over our chappy here just to help die that down a bit. Then I think that's all I need that for. So we'll grab the Old Olive, and one of the stamps is a teeny weeny leaf. I should say these start life really stiff, and the more you use them, the easier they get to slide. It's a bit like the old, ink pads. You needed to sort of wear them in a bit. So I'm just going to add some leaves to our, just don't want these too dark. There we go. And then, oh no, I need that again. I've got the Love What You Do stamp, and that I'm just going to, these are actually offcuts from some mats that I've cut, but I'm just going to stamp that on one of those and pop that away before I lean in it or something. Then just cut the end, cut it up the middle, and then just flag. And then we'll pop that there, and we're done. So, dimensionals, well, there's a bit of dimensional there. And somewhere I think I have some more that are aren't mini. I can see the mini ones. Oh, there we are. But we'd be here all night if I used mini dimensionals on the back of this. So I must apologise for the lighting. It was a dreadful, dreadful day, and I didn't film earlier because the weather was so bad, and now it's almost worse the other way. So there you are, just a pretty little card. This is one I did before, same basic idea. I will do some more, so I hope you enjoyed that, and it gives you some ideas on how to use the Just Getting Started bundle. And I will see you again very soon. I should say, before I rush away, if you were to buy the Just Getting Started bundle on my online store, it would be £53.25p, which it's because you've got the free note cards and envelopes. It may sound a lot, but it's good basic stuff because that's going to last you a really long time. But what I would say is, as I am currently running a prize draw, for your £53.25, you'd get 2 entries into my prize draw, and that is for the Colour Caddy and the 4 colour families as they are retiring from the 2017-2018 catalogue. So the Regals, the Subtles, the Brights and the Neutrals as per the 2017-18 catalogue. Catalogue price is at something over £200, so it's a very good deal, and that's just a gift from me. You do need to use the hostess code, and you do need to make sure you don't tick the no contact box, because it's kind of difficult to let you have a prize if I don't know how to get hold of you. If you spend more than £150 and elect to be your own hostess, and I would encourage you to do so, you will get to have your own rewards, and I will give you an entry into the prize draw as well. But this is for people who spend less money but use the hostess code. So just so you know, and I will add orders together over the month of May. So if you spend £30 one week and £30 the next week, I'll add those together and give you 2 entries. Well, a better example would be £40 one week and £30 the next week would give you £70. Oh, you get what I'm... If it was 75... So, £40 one week, you'd think I could do maths, wouldn't you? £40 one week, £35 the next week would give you £75. I will give you 3 entries for that. And now I'm going to go and lie down and put a hot flannel on my head, I think. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!